Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new dark 3D icons on Samsung One 8.5. So let's begin. Okay guys, simply go to Play Store and search Morphic Dark 3D Icons and look at these Morphic Dark 3D icons. Simply tap and install. After install, guys, simply go to Galaxy Store and download GoodLock. Simply search GoodLock and download. After download GoodLock, simply tap and open GoodLock and update all GoodLock modules. Simply tap and agree and continue, go to plugins and go to theme park plugin. After go to theme park plugin, simply tap on icon, tap on create new and tap on icon and select icon pack, Morphic Dark 3D icon pack and simply save this icon pack and apply. Simply apply and after apply, look at these new dark 3D icons installed on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also install these new dark 3D icons on your Galaxy device after One 8.5 update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.